Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering facts, reproduce the crash, then immediately open the project folder and inspect the saved/logs directory. Open saved/logs and read the most recent. Log to find the error message, stack trace, and module name. Next, check Task Manager for the Unreal Editor process and note RAM usage and CPU spikes while reproducing. If a plugin shows in the log or appears suspicious, disable third-party plugins by moving them from project/plugins to a temp folder and retry launching the editor. Apply fast repairs before deep troubleshooting. Fully close the Unreal Editor and any associated processes. Close Ue4 and delete derived data, cache in the project folder to force rebuild of shaders and assets, which often fixes mysterious crashes. Also delete intermediate and binaries folders to remove stale compiled data before reopening. The editor will recompile as needed. If crashes persist, open the Epic Games launcher. Select the engine version and run verify to repair corrupted engine files and missing dependencies. When quick repairs fail, escalate with system and project changes. Increase Windows page file to at least 8 GB if the crash is memory-related or you see out-of-memory errors in the log. Update GPU drivers and install Visual C++ redistributables required by the engine to resolve runtime failures. For project-specific crashes, create a blank test project and migrate content in small batches. If a map or asset triggers the crash, you can isolate and repair or re-import that asset to prevent future crashes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.